Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks. We're so happy you're here. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt, the white puppy dog, and Xena is the brown puppy dog. Xena takes her job very seriously. She pretty much sleeps through my videos when she's not running away. Wyatt sleeps too, but they're just supposed to look cute, so. All right, for today, I have two beauty boxes to share with you. Excited. The first one is my Walmart seasonal beauty box. All you pay for this box is the shipping. So it's $6.98. You get it every season and it's filled with all kinds of samples. We're going to dig into that. And then I have my BoxyCharm, and this one is my premium. This one is my premium subscription. So I have both of those to share. Let's get right into them. All right, so first up, we'll do the Walmart Beauty Box. As I mentioned, this is a seasonal subscription. You only pay for shipping, and it's filled with relevant samples. It is $6.98, and that is the cost of shipping. Oh, here's what I see as soon as I open it up. Looks like it's going to be worth the $6.98 for sure. So first up, I have a 3.3 full ounce bottle of Humphreys Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner, Nourish with aloe. So it says, shake before use. After normal cleansing, moisten a cotton round and apply to face and neck in a gentle massaging motion. This is all, it says wild ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free. That's a pretty nice size bottle. All right, next I have some scrunchies. This is 5-piece scrunchies, wild primrose it says. And they are all attached, but you can see they're the silky kind, so the kind that would be soft in your hair. It looks like I got a plain black. I have a metallic-y color. I have a nice silver. And I have another black, and then this one almost looks like faux leather. Do you see that? That's cute. And it really doesn't tell me anything else about them. Okay, but that's cool. All right, what let's see. Oh, maybe I have a little pamphlet in here that tells me about the spring box. So let's see if it tells me anything more. So these hair accessories retail for $4.97 to $7.97. It says, add a cute twist to your daily look with comfy, trend-forward accents from Wild Primrose by Cuccio. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Walmart's exclusive hair accessory line. And then the Witch Hazel, the full size, which is 8 ounce, so this was 3.3, is $10.98. Okay, next I have Hello toothpaste. So this is activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. It's called Epic Whitening Fluoride Free Toothpaste. This is 1 ounce. This retails at $4 for 4 ounces, and it says bring out your brightest smile with naturally derived ingredients that are safe and effective at reducing plaque and keeping breath fresh. All right. Next, I have a Seventh Heaven charcoal peel-off mask for cleansing and detoxifying. So this is $1.37 is the value of this. And it says, feel squeaky clean and draw out impurities with our special combination of cleansing activated charcoal with witch hazel and birch leaf to calm and soothe. So let's dig deep and talk dirty. Use weekly for really clean and smooth skin. Next, oh, check these out. These are Ultra Shine Gel Manicure Dashing Diva Gloss. These are supposed to last up to 14 days, and they're 20 gel nail strips. So those look so fun, and I have tried the nail strips. I could have used these when we were in quarantine because I was stressed about what to do with my nails. I would have loved to try these, but I might have to try these anyway. I wonder if I could use them on my toes. It says that these are salon gel effects, no UV dry time, no soak off removal. They're chip resistant shine. And there's 20 strips in here. And this is a, the full size is $6.97 and there'd be 32 strips. So you have 20 strips in this sample. It says easy to apply nail strips deliver a strong, shiny gel mani that lasts up to 14 days. Mix and match solid colors with show-stopping accent designs for a custom look. All right, I'm excited about those. And my last item here is Tanologist. So I just heard about this. It says it's just a little sample here, like a little tiny sample. And this one must have been thrown into everybody's box because I don't even see it here on the list. So this one says, your glow, your shade, your way. Designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, and body care, Tanologist Self Tan drops are easy to apply and 100% customizable. The more drops you add equals the darker your tan. Getting bronze has never been easier. So it says no blocked pores, no drying effect on the skin, and no tan transfer onto sheets or clothes. Clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. And this is what the bottle looks like. This is just a 0.7 milliliter try, so you're not going to get much tanned with this, but I am fascinated by it. I use a self tanner on my legs just for a little while in the spring until the sun starts to come out and I get a chance to actually be out in the sun, and then I switch to sunscreen. But I do like to try to get some color on my legs, so I do like a self tanner for a little while. That's everything in the Walmart spring box for only $6.98. What did you guys think? I thought it was pretty good. So I got the scrunchies, the mask, the gel, the extra little Tanologist sample, the toothpaste, and the witch hazel. Okay, next up I have my BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription box, and they have 3 options. They have their base box, which is $25 a month, and you typically get $175 worth of product. And you get usually 5 items in that box. They have the premium box, which is what I'm going to share with you. That is also a monthly subscription. It is $10 more, $35 a month. And you usually get around $230 worth of product in that one. And it's 6 to 7 items. And then quarterly, they also have the Boxy Luxe, which is $49.99. And you typically get around $400 worth of product in that box. Okay. But I'll put all the information down below. This one is my Boxy Premium. This one was for March, and the theme was Lucky. And it always tells you all about all the products that are inside your box. You do fill out a profile where it asks you, like, I would like to receive certain products more often, less often, things like that, so that you're not always getting items that you don't like in every single box, but you're getting more of what you do want to see. So for instance, I think I did say I wanted to get eyeshadow palettes. I haven't updated my profile, so I almost always get eyeshadow palettes in every single box. Okay, just to give you an example. So here is what I see as soon as I open it, and it always is packed very nicely in here with foam to protect everything. First up, this is an illuminating eye serum and primer by Cypress. There's the name. And this is valued at $145. All right, so there's 2 things in here. There's the illuminating eye serum and primer here. And then there is the palette. So these are always full-size products in the BoxyCharm boxes. I wanted to see what this palette looks like. Oh, check that out. So this says, this pairing packs technology forward skincare first, illuminating and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active, buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for BoxyCharm and is not for resale. So apparently you can't get it anywhere else but BoxyCharm. Let's look and see what some of this looks like. So here is the gray. So it is very silvery. Here is the pink. I like that they're not, so the pink is next. That's this one. And then here's the gold. So they're not dramatic. Hopefully that's showing up. It's not too terribly dramatic. I think that would be very brightening on the eye. And let me try this bronzy color. There it is on my ring finger, on the pointer finger. So what I didn't show you was the white. And the white is right below the pink here. All right, so that is a nice palette. I think they will brighten up the eye quite a bit. All right, that's a nice little set. $145. That's crazy. All right, so this is the way to get it. Next, I have something very large. What is this? This is Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand Body Wash by Cuccio Somatology. Comes in a pump bottle here. Let's see what it says about this. A shower cleansing body and hand wash ritual made to calm the senses. Using the finest ingredients, Epsom salt helps muscles feel rejuvenated or reinvigorated after the most intense of workouts. Pro vitamin B5 and shea butter help keep your skin feeling moisturized. Made with soothing and calming lavender oil, and it's valued at $39.95. Okay. Next, I have something from Glow Skin Beauty. This is Hydra Bright Alpha Arbutin Drops. So it's lactic acid and alpha arbutin brightening serum. This is valued at $54. It says these reformulated drops promote an even skin tone and visibly diminish dark spots and hyperpigmentation. This hydroquinone free. That's a new word for me. Supercharged serum is powered by alpha arbutin, a natural plant-based alternative which imparts a natural lit from within glow. Okay, and this one is 1 full ounce. All right. I like that it diminishes the dark spots and evens the skin tone. So this one will be nice to try. I do like the Glow products. What else? I have something from Rowan Liquid Lip Balm. It says Kiss My. Kiss My? Okay. This one is valued at $26. It's a non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. The color looks like Charlie here. It says it soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect. It provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. So this color looks really nice. Let's see if we can, I think I have color on, but we'll try it. Okay, so I like it. What do you guys think? It feels nice on. It is glossy. Yeah. Okay. What else have I got here? I've got a Diva eye brush set by Beauty Diva London. And this is valued at $48. This is Perfect Your Eye Looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. This is another thing I said I wanted because I didn't have any good brushes. So now I've got a lot of great brushes. So I might have to change that setting as well. But these are nice ones. Blues are coming across. These are nice. Okay, so I got 4 of them. Last item, this would be this, yeah, my last item, 6th item. This is called Jour Essential Lip Enhancer. What do you think, Wyatt, huh? Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. It is 0.33 full ounces. And it says this is valued at $17. And it says this is infused with good for you, clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. That's always good. So I'll have to, yeah, I'll have to give this one a try. I like this kind of stuff too that doesn't have a lot of color right now when we're all masking up, right? So it's really a struggle to keep my lips moisturized without yucking up my mask. And you know, I think this will be great right now to try until we can all be out in public sporting our favorite lipstick, right? That's all my items. What did you guys think? I thought this was a pretty good box for $35. I can't believe this set was valued at $145. So the eye serum and primer and the palette, the shimmer palette. That was pretty wild. I am interested in those shimmer palettes. I don't like my eyes to be like too sparkly or anything, but those didn't look too bad. So it might, I might be able to work with those. And then I like the brush set. This lavender oil Calm and Clean body wash. The lip rejuvenator we just talked about. The Hydra Bright Glow. And this lip gloss I just put on. All right. What'd you guys think? Do please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed both these beauty boxes. I'll put all the information down below in case you want to check either of them out. And thank you for spending the time with me today. Please do hit that like if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more. Would love it if you hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel and helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, bye-bye.